Okay, I completely messed up, and I hope that you guys will forgive me. When I went through and I was highlighting as I was reading the sentences, I didn't flip over to the back of this page, and so I didn't do sentences 30 and 33 when I was going through. So if you found mistakes in sentence 30 and 33, give yourself a tally mark right now. 1 for 30, 1 for 33. I forgot to do that. Right now we're going to answer question 9. So it's not video number 4, but it's question number 9. How should sentence 30 be changed? Sentence 30 changed. When I look over here at sentence 30, let me see if I can get it to focus a little bit better. When I look over here at sentence 30, it says, I am a clownfish, a striped orange and white thing said with a giggle. Well, what I see on this is, at first you got to make sure striped, is it stripped, is it striped? This says striped. But what I see on this is there's quotation marks, and quotation marks. Quotation marks come in sets of 2. They come before what a person said and after what someone said. I'm a clownfish, those are the words that are actually said. So this quotation mark belongs and this one does. Over here, there's a quotation mark that I'm not sure where it goes because it doesn't start or end anything. So on this one, you should have blooped out your second set of quotation marks. Let's see if that's an answer choice. Delete the quotation marks after the period. So you should have put a dot for possibility or a maybe baby on C. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. Change striped. Anytime that there is a consonant and an E, this makes this the long vowel sound. Stripe to stripped. Stripped, striped to stripped. Let's look. Is it a striped orange and white thing or a stripped orange and white thing? It's a striped orange and white thing. So you should put misspelled. What about the P? You could also put wrong word. Any of those I would take. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. Change said to says. Well, we sort of talked about this before. A striped orange and white thing says with a giggle. Says would make it present tense. Said makes it past tense. Let's look. Oliver's loneliness was replaced. He replied, sang, swam, began. All of those words are past tense. So when you're not sure if it should be present tense, past tense, or future tense, look at the sentences around the sentence and see what it tells you. In this case, all of these are past tense. Said is past tense, so it needs to stay in past tense. So in this, the beginning of the word is the same, the ending is different, and it doesn't make sense, so it is wrong tense. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. The sentence should not be changed. I would just bloop out not. The sentence should be changed. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. My only correct answer on that is C. If you pick C as your correct answer and you fixed it that way in your story, give yourself a tally mark.